Against like
Against that कैसे
तो
यही बात करिए।
हाँ थोड़ा
यही करे।
दिमाग दूंगा या आप पूछे कुछ?
आपने गोवा से स्टार्ट किया था, आज डीजीपी पोस्ट पे पहुंचे हैं, तो गोवा का एक पूरा आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो कैसा है आज?
It is a privilege to serve Goa Police because Goa Police has highest tradition of professionalism. The force is comparable to the best in the country, and this is my third tenure. I started my career as a assistant superintendent of police, and today I take pride in saying that I have joined today as the Director General of Police, and it goes to the credit of people of Goa, Goa Police, and the Honorable Chief Minister of the state that he has given the opportunity to serve the people of state again. As the days go, I will interact with my officers, understand the dynamics of crime, law and order, and we will try to formulate strategies which are correspondent to the prevention of crime. And Goa is otherwise an iconic tourist state, so it has its own challenges also because we have to showcase the best aspects of not only the Goan society but also the professionalism of the police. And I, along with my team, will ensure that we put best foot forward and professionalism of Goa is exhibited to the foreigners as well as to the countrymen who come to Goa as tourists. At the same time, traffic has always been uppermost in my mind because traffic is the area which affects every citizen, everyone, from morning to evening and late in the night also, because people have to go to their workplaces, so they have to reach in time. And at the same time, traffic safety is also very important because in earlier years there have been number of traffic accident cases. So we'll make sure that after studying the profile of the road, geometry of the road, traffic accident pattern, we will formulate appropriate strategy to ensure that Goan roads are safe not only for the local people but also for the foreigners, because large number of foreigners come here, they hire taxis, they hire two-wheelers, and Goan roads are excellent roads, so sometimes people try to take advantage. So here comes the role of enforcement also. So we will ensure that our officers enforce the traffic rules appropriately. So these are certain areas, certain priorities which I will be emphasizing, of course along with the cooperation of my team. Team is excellent. IG has already spent more than 3 years. DIG has also spent more than 4 years. So they are well aware of the problem. So we will synergize our efforts and ensure that Goa Police name remains in the best police forces of the country. Thank you.
Sir, we have learnt that Goa Police is also trying to request Goa government to accommodate on chopper facility to tackle the accidents and reduce the fatality.
It was proposal being initiated. It is the initiative phase.
Yeah, we will definitely, I will look into it because I'm not privy to it. So therefore at this stage, I will not be able to make any comment. But professionally speaking, yes, that will help a lot because the injured can be immediately shifted to the police and we can save precious lives. Plus, it is better also to keep a watch over large number of areas from, like we say, eye in the sky. So when you have the aviation support, it is always better to keep watch over large areas.
सर गोवा में थर्ड टाइम आप विजिट किया है और प्रेजेंट हुआ है, आगे कैसे प्रायोरिटी रहेगा कि गोवा का लोगों की सेफ्टी सॉरी ड्रग्स का बारे में